Welcome to Some Guy's Garage. Let's dial up the Christmas cheer and take a look at the Wera Advent Calendar 2024. I've had these for a couple of years now. This will be the third year that I've had a Wera Advent Calendar, and it's pretty neat. Inside of this, every day you get to open up another slot, just like a normal Advent calendar, but instead of chocolates or candies or whatever, you get tools. And who doesn't like some new tools? So let's open this up. I'm going to hold off for maybe a week or so before I post this video so I can include a few days, just so you can see what's in it. But let's dial back down that Christmas cheer and take a look. First things first, let's get it out of the shipping package here, and I'm going to try and do it so you don't see what's inside. They posted on the back of the outer shipping box here. So if you were buying this in a store, you could see what's in it, but let's not ruin the surprise here. I'm going to try and do this without showing you guys what's inside in advance. So we will start off here at the back, slide that open, and out comes the actual calendar here. And we'll throw that other box to the side. So this is the actual Advent calendar, and on the back here, as with other years, it comes with its own little built-in stand. So we'll pop this out and plug these in to the slots here, right there and there. There we go. Yeah, you can see all the other years while we're looking at it here. I've had these two, the 23 and the 22, and there's videos on it, so check out the other videos on the channel. I'll leave some links. But they've been doing this for quite a number of years, and this is the 2024 calendar. But with the stand in place, it stands up on end all on its own. And because today is day one, let's open day one on the calendar here. And to begin with, we get some sort of bit holder thing. Usually this is what they start with. They'll give you something that'll hold all the little bits and pieces that you get for all the other days. But yeah, that's it for today's, but stay tuned. I'm going to open something up every day and we'll bring you along for the ride here. So coming up is the next roughly week, and then I'll do the rest of them in short videos across the month of December. Welcome back, day two. I get to open the next one over here. And for day two, we get a #1 Phillips bit. So somewhere in this, I'm gonna guess this slides up and open like that. And we can put these in, there we go, just like that. All right, day one done. Okay, day number 3. Let's see what we got here. It's another bit today. So a #3 hex bit. So it looks like, yeah, #3 hex. And again, we'll have our little thing here and put it in one of these slots somehow. There we go. That's day number 3. Welcome back, day number 4. Oh, we got a double today. So we get a couple bits. Let's see what we got here. We got a #10 Torx, and that's a socket adapter. So a 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch socket adapter drive. Pretty neat. So again, presumably these will end up in this little compartment here. So we'll throw this in somewhere here. And we'll throw this in somewhere, let's try, oh, that might not fit there. We'll go up here for now. Nope. I guess, yeah, we'll throw that in down here somewhere. There we go. Hey, day number 5. Oh, look at this little thing. That's different. It is some kind of little ratchet. It has forward reverse on it, but it looks kind of like a bit ratchet with another bit end on the other side. I assume there's going to be a drive tool for this at some point, but that's kind of cool. Again, throwing it in the holder here, I'm going to guess we're going to put it in this slot, maybe. Might go there somewhere eventually, but we can go with that slot for now. All right, day number 6, big compartment here. Oh, cool. So we get some Velcro and some instructions, but also a little pouch here with a couple of different slots in it. I'm curious what's going to actually end up going in that. That's neat. So nice Wera pouch to go along with our Wera bit holder. You can see those right there. Hey again, day number 7. Oh, first socket. All right, so we have a 10 mil. If anybody needs a 10 mil, well, I'm not gonna send you this one, but yeah, maybe that's the prize for whoever gets the first comment, a 10 mil socket. yeah, 10 mil socket. Clearly goes on the bit holder here because it has a spot labeled 10. So we will put that on. Well, that's annoying, eh? You can't put it so that the 10 faces right to the front. Well then. Oh well. 10 mil socket on the bit holder now. We're gonna keep going. It's day 8 today. I haven't posted a video yet, so let's keep going. We'll go with the day 8. Another Torx bit. This is a T15. So grabbing our bit holder again, we'll throw that beside the 10 there, right here. There we go. So day 8. Oh, haven't posted a video yet still, but day number 9. I'm gonna do the video tonight. You'll see it today. Oh, cool. Hello. Yes, I had heard about this. So this is actually a salt shaker or salt and pepper shaker. I think that's what this this little pouch ends up being for, is for a salt and pepper shaker. So, oh yeah, cool. You can open it up and you get little holes for the thing and shut it back that way. And then it says pull to open. I imagine you're supposed to pull that inner part out, but that could be a little tricky. Nope, the whole bottom end comes off of it. So you can see kind of it has a seal around the outside there, but you pull the whole bottom off and that's how you get your salt inside. Pop it back in, open, closed, and it's a salt shaker. And I'm pretty sure that's where this little thing comes in handy. You throw that in there. So that is day 9. So that's where we're at this point. A few bits, socket, a little ratchety thing, and one salt shaker. I'm gonna post this tonight, I promise, so you'll see this shortly. But that's days 1 through 9 of the Wera Advent Calendar 2024. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you do that so you can see the rest of what's in the calendar. And otherwise, thanks for watching.